Have you ever pondered, what does the future hold for artificial intelligence? As we hurtle through the 21st century, the world of AI is undergoing a transformation at an astonishing rate. Picture this: you're in a world where machines can learn, think, and even create in ways that were once exclusive to us humans. This is no longer a figment of science fiction, but a reality being shaped now. Two key players in this grand scheme are Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-4. These aren't just run-of-the-mill AI models, they are the vanguards of a technological revolution. They're setting new benchmarks, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. From language processing to creative arts, from predictive analytics to problem solving, these AI models are poised to redefine our relationship with technology. They're not just tools, but partners, collaborators, and co-creators. With such powerful AI models like Gemini and GPT-4, the future of artificial intelligence looks promising yet intriguing. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. How does Google's Gemini stack up against OpenAI's GPT-4? First off, let's explore what makes them tick. Gemini, the new kid on the block, is Google's answer to the AI revolution. It's designed to be a jack of all trades, capable of handling a wide array of tasks, from language translation to image recognition, and even complex problem solving. On the other hand, GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, is a language model that has made a name for itself in the AI world, with its uncanny ability to generate human-like text. It can write essays, answer questions, and even create poetry that is often indistinguishable from human work. When it comes to applications, both models have promising potential. Gemini's versatility makes it a powerful tool for a variety of industries. Imagine a future where AI can diagnose diseases, predict market trends, or even help design sustainable cities. That's the world Gemini is striving for. GPT-4, with its language prowess, is paving the way for a revolution in communication. It could potentially transform how we interact with machines, making them more intuitive and human-like in their responses. Now, what about their impact? Well, Gemini's broad skill set could make it a game-changer across multiple sectors, potentially driving innovation at a pace we've never seen before. However, its versatility could also be its downfall as it tries to master too many things at once. GPT-4, while more specialized, is not without its own set of challenges. Its ability to mimic human writing raises ethical concerns about potential misuse, especially in the realm of deepfakes and misinformation. To sum it up, Gemini and GPT-4 are both formidable players in the AI game. Gemini's strength lies in its versatility and broad application, while GPT-4 shines in its specialized human-like language skills. Clearly, both Gemini and GPT-4 are extraordinary in their own right, each having unique features that make them stand out. Now let's shift our focus to Google's latest marvel, the Gemini. Gemini is a testament to Google's relentless pursuit of innovation. This advanced AI model is not only designed to understand, interpret, and respond to human language, but also to outdo its predecessors. Its capabilities are truly remarkable. It's like having a personal assistant that can not only manage your calendar, but also hold a conversation with you about your favorite novel. The applications of Gemini are extensive, ranging from customer service to content creation and even healthcare. Imagine a world where your queries are answered with precision and human-like understanding, where AI can draft compelling articles or assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. That's the world Gemini is set to create. But Google's vision with Gemini goes beyond its applications. It aims to revolutionize AI itself. Gemini is built with a new architecture that allows it to learn and adapt faster than previous models. It's not just about making tasks easier, it's about making AI smarter. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can Gemini really outperform GPT-4? Google seems confident. While the previous generation GPT-4 was a game changer, Gemini is designed to push the boundaries even further. It's not just about understanding language, but understanding context, nuance, and even emotions. It's about creating an AI that thinks and learns like a human. The potential impact of Gemini is immense. It could reshape industries, redefine jobs, and revolutionize our interaction with technology. But it's not just about the impact on our lives. It's about the impact on AI itself. Gemini could set a new benchmark for AI models, challenging them to be not just efficient, but intelligent. With Gemini, Google aims to reshape the AI landscape, offering an exciting glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence.